Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to hot and sour Tomyam fish maw soup. Hope you like it. This soup is very appetizing and delicious. You can change the way you cook fish maws and make it for your family to share during the new year. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: Tomyam seasoning powder, button mushrooms, broccoli, celery, fish maw. Soak fish maw until softened and cut into small chunks. Cherry tomatoes wash and cut half. Remove button mushrooms from can, wash and cut into small pieces. Celery peel and cut into section. Chopped celery leaves and set aside. Cut broccoli into florets, wash and set aside. Pour all ingredients and seasoning powder into soup pot. Let's cook soup. Soup can be cooked quickly with Instant Pot. Add broccoli and cook until softened. Garnish with celery leaves. Looks good and smell so good too. No need to seasoning, as seasoning powder has seasoned to taste. Q. The sour and spicy fish maw is very appetizing, chewy and delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Fish maw is a part that we often throw away when we clean fish ingredients, but women who love beauty should know that it is a very good beauty and health product for our skincare. Fish maw contains rich vitamins and a variety of trace elements needed by our body, so everyone should learn more about it. It can nourish the kidney and essence, nourish the tendons and veins, stop bleeding, disperse blood stasis, and reduce swelling. The swim bladder is commonly known as the fish bubble, which contains air and allows the fish to adjust the density of the body and rise, or sink in the water. Most bony fish living in the upper and middle layers of the sea have swim bladders. The volume of the fish swim bladder accounts for about 5% of the body. Its shape can be oval, conical, heart-shaped, horseshoe-shaped, etc. Nutrition. Fish maw is rich in nutrients such as protein, vitamins, and minerals. Appropriate consumption can supplement the nutrients needed by the body and maintain the body's metabolism. Fish maw has the effects of nourishing the kidney and replenishing essence, nourishing blood, and stopping bleeding. It can be used as an auxiliary treatment for spermaturia due to kidney deficiency, blood deficiency and chlorosis, etc. Fish bladder is a high-protein, low-fat food. Fish bladder is rich in advanced collagen and protein, and also contains calcium, iron, zinc, and other nutrients and energy. To fish bladder cholesterol content is not high. Fish bladder does not contain cholesterol, which is a relatively ideal food, and it is fine to eat in moderation. Patients who have just undergone surgery, have a cold, or are menstruating should not eat fish maw. Generally, within 3 hours after eating fish maw, do not drink tea, eat oranges, white radishes, or other foods that destroy the efficacy of fish maw. Fish maw is a nourishing food, but patients with colds and fevers have decreased functions of various organs in the body, so it is not advisable to eat overly nourishing foods. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.